Ho, 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 ho. Hello, Elsie.
Why, hi, Santa. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, that's good to hear. Do you know, I have this letter that arrived.
Oh, who's it from?
It's from Mr. Mike.
Oh, did he make the nice list this
He
year?
did. He always does his best. And I want you to make something very special.
Oh, he's gonna love it.
I'm sure he will, because I know you do your best. So I'll leave it into your hands, and I'll have to go on my way to do other things.
All right, Santa.
See you later.
This is the way we make the toys. We make the toys. We make the toys. This is the way we make the toys. All for Christmas morning. This is the way we hammer the toys. Hammer the toys. Hammer the toys. This is the way we hammer the toys. We make for Christmas morning. This is the way we make the toys. We make the toys. We make the toys. This is the way we make the toys. All for Christmas morning. This is the way we sew the toys. Sew the toys. We sew the toys. This is the way we sew the toys. We make for Christmas morning. This is the way we make the toys. We make the toys. We make the toys. This is the way we make the toys. All for Christmas morning. This is the way we paint the toys. We paint the toys. We paint the toys. This is the way we paint the toys. We make for Christmas morning. This is the way we make the toys. We make the toys. We make the toys. This is the way we make the toys. All for Christmas morning. So now let's rock around the Christmas tree. Let's rock around the Christmas tree. Rock around the Christmas tree. All for Christmas morning. Rock around the Christmas tree. Let's rock around the Christmas tree. Rock around the Christmas tree. All for Christmas morning.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!